Yes. Now you all know that a tangent is a line which just touches the circle at only one point. Be careful. Don't think that, oh sir, this is the line which is just touching the circle at one point. But if you produce it further, will it become tangent? No. It is not a tangent. So tangent in this sense, it is a line which just touches the circle at a point. If you produce either side, if you produce both the sides, just here, this is also a tangent. If you produce both the sides, it should not intersect the circle. Just it should touch the circle only at a one point. So here, this is a tangent. If I draw like this the line, this is not a tangent. Why? If you produce it this side, it will cut the circle. So this is not a tangent. So that you should know it first of all. So if you produce the line both the sides, the line should touch the circle at only one point. That is a tangent. Okay. Now you understood what is a tangent. Actually, on these tangents we have a theorem which you will study. Okay. In the lesson circles. Now, one more important point. One property which is related. One property here which you should know between the radius and the tangent of a circle. Consider this is a circle, okay, and if I draw a tangent here which is touching the circle at a point P, and this point is called as point of contact. The line which touches the circle at a point, that point is called as point of contact. Now here, consider the line is touching the circle at only one point at P, this tangent. Now, if I join the radius, draw the radius with this touching point. If I draw a line from the center of the circle with the point of contact, then this radius and the tangent at the point of contact will be always perpendicular to each other. The radius and the tangent at the point of contact, they are perpendicular to each other. On this we have a theorem. We are going to prove this theorem. Okay, but at present we are just discussing about construction, so let us have the knowledge of it. Now here, this is one which you should know, because during construction this is the property which we are going to make use of. Now you came to know that the tangent at the point of contact and the radius are perpendicular to each other. Now let me come to the point here. In the previous classes you have studied on a line at any point, if you want to draw the perpendicular, if I want to draw the perpendicular at this point, consider here the point is here, somewhere here on this line here, I want to draw the perpendicular. Then what we will do it during the construction? Just we take the compass, okay, we will draw one semicircle of any radius. After that, this semicircle cuts the line at a point. So from here we mark it. Same way, from here again we mark one more arc with the same radius, or we can change the radius. Just arc upside. Here one more arc. Join it. You know, what is this? This is the line which is perpendicular at the point. So this is the construction basic which we are using here during the construction of a tangent to the circle. So in this section, in this construction, first of all we should know how to draw the tangent to the circle when the point is on the circle. This is one thing. Second important thing here is, in this lesson, we have one more point. What is it? It's nothing but, consider this is a circle, okay, and the point is outside the circle. If the point is outside the circle, now asking us to draw the lines. Okay, we will draw the line just here. We can draw many lines in this way. This way we can draw many lines. In all these lines, we will get the two lines, here one line, just this is the line which will just touch the circle at a point. The same way obstructors will get one line which will just touch the circle at a point. Remaining all lines are cutting the circle. Remaining all lines are cutting the circle. That they are the secants. But from this point, we can draw the two special lines which are just touching the circle at a. So from outside point we can draw, means from external point we can draw how many tangents to the circle? Two tangents to the circle. Just see here. From this point I have drawn infinite lines. In those infinite lines there will be two special lines which will be touching the circle at a point. And you know that if the line touches the circle at a point, then that line is called as a tangent. So from this point, how many lines are just touching a circle at single point? This is one line, this is one line. So these are the two tangents. So you should know that from external point we can draw how many tangents to the circle? Two. Maximum two. Not more than two. Why? Because remaining all are secants. They are cutting the circle here. But only these two lines are touching the circle at a single point here. So in this way, so these are the 2 points which you are studying in this construction. This also we are doing construction as per the measurement, and at the same time we want to draw the tangent at a point on the circle. There also we have to do the construction by using our geometrical materials. So this is the knowledge which we require before starting the construction of tangents to the circle. Okay, what are those? For the circle at one point, one tangent. For the circle from outside point, how many tangents we can draw? We can construct two tangents. To do these things, we should know again the knowledge. We should have the knowledge of what? On a line, how to draw the perpendicular at a point. On a line at a point, how to draw the perpendicular. You know the procedure. You know the basic of it. So here, these are the things, this is the knowledge which we need before doing the construction of a tangents to the circle. And on this point, in the examination point of view, you may have a 2-mark question. Okay? So let us start the construction of tangents to the circle by taking examples. So I will take the examples. First of all, related to this point here, only one tangent to the circle. Then afterwards, let us take the examples related to this point, from outside point, from external point, how many tangents we can draw to the, how to draw the tangents to the circle. Let us start.